Not have I just changed my railway to the LIS and YNR railway, I have made a new engine. You may be wondering what it is and what it looks like. I will tell you, but why do I have a picture of a brake van? You'll find out. Because it has a lot to do with what it is. For real, a lot. So my engine is also, like my last one, an experimental engine and a mix of two. The mix is, well, a J70 tram engine and what you just saw, an LBSC brake van. Its smoke box, which is that thing right there, and boiler are on the veranda of it, but also inside. So when you see something like this, or this, or this, don't be like this guy and start screaming because there's not a runaway train. Literally, he's screaming like he just saw this clown. Yeah, I should have put a clown warning actually. Well, this engine, I want you to feel, when you see it, like this. Like this guy. This cool guy. Oh look, it's a train, I should wave. That's 100% not a runway. It might be, I don't know. It probably isn't. I shouldn't be scared that looks like a brake van is literally just running down the line by itself. I'm talking to myself again. Let's talk about the backstory of it now, like I usually do. Let's start. Like the RMS class, it started with a crash. A J70 had too many vans behind it, and it crashed straight into an LNER brake van, like this one. They're taking to the LNER works. This may not be the actual one. It's just a picture of a works. And I came along. I asked what they were doing, and they said they were actually like mixing the two. The J70 and the other engine. Well, not engine yet. Brake van. They were saying it would be cheaper if they put the brake fans in the J70's boiler in the brake van. They weren't doing a good job, so it was decided that I'll make it and give some to them. It was agreed. This engine started on tramway, shunting, and then branch lines, pulling goods trains, short ones, then even mainline pulling passengers and goods. But the main question is, what does this engine look like? I know you've been wondering. Start the build up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this! Go!